All right, guys, welcome back to another Bad Gas production.
Hey, good day, guys. How you doing?
It's been a while since we've all been in the shop, hasn't it?
It has been. So, tonight, Rod, what are we going to get into?
We're getting into the motor wiring harness, kind of fitting that in. We've been doing some work with it, fixing it up, getting all the wiring fixed. So we're going to start putting it in here, get through the firewall. We got to adjust the hole for the firewall here. We already got a mount for the computer getting made. Computer's going to be underneath the bottom floor there, underneath the firewall. And moving forward with that, what else?
We'll put some new connectors on for our fuel injectors.
Sweet.
Craft those into this new wiring harness here and try to make everything as neat as possible.
Yeah. Motor bay needs a bit of a detail too. We gotta sweep it or get dusted all of it. So she's been a little dusty from all the sanding and painting and everything.
So we'll get a start on it and wait for Sully and Andrew to show up and give us a hand.
Yeah, the late guys. They got to bring donuts. Hey, hey!
Throwing a hole in the firewall for wiring harness.
Holes in the firewall. You learned that from Jay? You know.
Nicely done. Hey, Jay! Rod drilled the hole in the He drilled the hole in the firewall. Want to come help?
Hey Jake, you want to say?
I could have done it quicker.
We had dull stuff.
I would have moved it over a little bit. And had
Oh,
to,
here we go.
I would have had to re-weld it a couple times.
No
Oh,
doubt.
look at the grommet and everything.
Want to scratch the car, I mean.
Lid.
Your leg.
Lid is a tail.
Yeah, I got them upstairs.
I'm just going to set this behind you.
Sure.
Or
You gather it up here. You can put it in there.
just lay her all in there, buddy.
So to explain what these guys are doing,
Just
We have a rubber grommet for the firewall that the whole wiring harness is going to pass through for the motor.
Yeah.
Right now, Rod is just feeding that in through so we can make sure that all of our connectors are the proper length to get to the all the components on the motor that we have to hook up.
oh, look at you guys planning ahead. Nice.
So Rod's doing the feeding through now.
you go get the here. You go get.
Oh, I'm going to go on the other side and grab it.
Keep going.
Ow.
Does it move?
That's
I
right.
got it off.
Is it?
Yeah.
I bet it is.
Whoa, that's right.
Anyway,
Better.
clips on it still
Okay, let's get sanitary. Get that one straightened out.
This one here. Okay. Yep, go ahead.
What am I smelling?
I didn't do anything.
Come on, buddy.
Holy,
Corey,
No, buddy, I'm out here in the front of the car. It's definitely not me.
what happened?
I didn't do anything.
You shit your pants?
No.
Fucking keep feeding her. Keep feeding her, man.
I'm smelling some raunchy shit.
Stop doing it.
It's not me.
It's not me out here, because everything out here smells awesome. So wherever it's coming from back there. Keep her back there.
There's something wrong.
What's wrong?
I don't know.
You can't get it through?
All right, guys, so these guys got the harness back out. So like Corey said earlier, they put it in the engine bay and they marked everything out to figure out how long everything needed to be, and they cut it all off, or that's what they're doing, cutting them off, and they're putting new injector plugs on this harness that are the right length, just so everything will be all nice and tailored and look good on the engine.
Oui.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Some of the boys are working on the engine harness. Jay's in the car. Starting to put the body harness in, I guess. Is it Jay?
Yep.
Look at your butt.
You get a nice bump, Jay.
Bum look good.
Wow. I just went to a new level.
Don't look at my bum.
Hey, Sully.
What?
What are you doing?
On the bed.
You having a bad day?
Yeah.
Aww.
Mark didn't hear what you fucking said after he shit in the vehicle and forgot. That was terrible.
Oh man, that was ridiculous.
That was terrible.
I was
like, what does that smell?
I was like, I had to check myself. I was like, what is going on here?
So what you're saying is you shit.
No, I didn't do anything. Mark walked by and dropped one.
Totally denied it.
Holy shit.
And Ron's like, was that you? I'm like, no, that wasn't me.
I have to fess up. That wasn't even real. Oh, you
Did you have one of them like drop canisters or something?
fart spray.
Fart spray? I was going to say, because it was like liquid diarrhea into my
And
mouth.
it wouldn't leave.
It wouldn't leave.
there.
Where's it at? Don't do that again. I almost threw up in the car, honest to God. Where you at, Corey? Camera's right on you, buddy.
No, buddy, just saw her in the last one.
Good job, man.
Back together.
Great job. Man, this thing wants to follow everyone. Get in there.
Oh, just slip to the side.
Smash that like button.
What kind of misery are you up to over here, Corey?
Trying to finish up this package tray in the back of the Phoenix. Did a little bit of fabrication today.
A little bit of high school shop class.
Yes, and I think it turned out all right.
Andrew was the junk in the trunk.
Yep. Jump in the trunk.
What do you think, Andrew? Does it meet your high expectations?
Oh yeah, it's mid. Put the window in. Let's go for room.
Right? Cool, guys. Well, we custom made that. You can order them, but we wanted to make one that was a little thicker out of wood. So we put some sound deadener under that and a little bit of felt, and we undermounted the speakers and, just glued some vinyl to it. Pretty much like the original. We left some extra here to go down behind the seat. This is all Corey's dream child here. Next we can toss the window in, as Andrew said. We got a panel to go back here, but we felt it was easier to put this in before putting the glass in, and I'm glad we did.
The glass and all the body molding and everything on the inside. Get it done now and get it over with. You actually have space and can access everything easily.
That's right.
What are we up to, boys?
We're just trying to figure out where the harness goes for the front headlights and make sure we can hide them.
Sweet.
All right, guys, it's been a pretty good night. We probably out of steam for the night, but Rod here and Corey, they got this harness pretty much wrapped up. Doesn't look like much right now, but it's all back together. Oh, we got one wire to cut.
Yeah, good short.
That one's got to get shortened, and then the whole thing's got to get reloomed with nice, pretty loom, and then it'll go back in the car. That's done. And Jay, I'm not going to say me because I didn't do much help tonight, but Jay and Rod got the body harness kind of in, kind of laid where it has to go. Mostly it goes, this will all go under the dash and get tucked up, and these wires are for the instrument harness. We got the front light harness sitting where it needs to go. Back here we got got that put in where it needs to go. That's for the tail lights, and got the wires kind of in the trunk and it needs to get hooked up. So we're getting there.
Reading the hole too, it made a bigger ground for the bigger ground.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that was a great upgrade.
So things are coming together. Unfortunately, this part's a little bit slow, but after we get all this wiring in, then we can start moving ahead with carpet and interior and glass and all kinds of fun stuff. So folks, thanks for watching.
Always smash that like button. Share with a friend.
Absolutely. I can't think of anything to say.
Brain fart. There's enough of that tonight, I can tell you that.